Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your blower motor resistor for your 2003 to 2006 GMC or Chevy truck, probably some other vehicles that use this same digital dash here, the dual climate control as well. Please like, rate, and subscribe. You're going to need some strippers, good pair of crimpers, a torch or a heat gun for those heat shrink crimps, butt connectors, whatever you want to call them, that come with the kit. You also need your ratchet, an 8mm, a 7mm, and a 5.5mm. You can use a flathead screwdriver or just a regular Phillips head screwdriver, some good electrical tape, and of course your blower motor resistor. Mine's from AA Ignition, it looks like, and seems to work pretty good. I have the link to this one in my description for the Amazon affiliate. Now, in doing this job, you want to make sure you disconnect your battery because there's always power to that resistor. So the first step is to take your 7mm and take out one screw here and here. And once you have the cover pulled down, you can actually see the resistor right here, and you'll want to unplug that. You can see that there are two clips, one on this front side here and one in the back where the plugs into the blower motor. I like to use a screwdriver, and you can actually see from the new harness that they give you the tab. This will focus here. You just need to push this tab in and that back connector will come out. So I'll do that now. So I'm just going to use my screwdriver to push that tab down in the back so I don't break the clip. And now this front connector here, same thing. Push the tab down and it'll pull right out. And now you want to take a 5.5mm or a 7/32 socket and take the two screws out and remove your resistor. And now that you have your old resistor out, I just wanted to point out the size difference between the new resistor heatsink and the old resistor heatsink. These things get really hot. The way they work is in the lower speed settings, it's just resisting more electricity, and a byproduct of that is heat. And so it's really important to have a big heatsink to dissipate that heat. And as you can tell, this new one seems to have a little bit better heatsink as compared to the old one. Now on your new harness, you'll have this second connector. This will go to the blower motor. This is the one with the orange and purple, and then you'll have these three wires here, one red, black, and purple. The red and black are going to be power and ground for the resistor. This little purple wire will be a signal wire from your actual dash AC control. And that will splice into this connector here, so we'll have to cut this connector off and crimp the purple and red and black wires here. And now you'll want to strip the ends of these three wires. I'll do that now. And now you can use the included butt connectors to crimp onto the ends of your wires. Now this pink crimp is for the smaller wire here, but I don't think it's quite small enough, so I'm going to use a smaller crimp that I have laying around, and I'm going to use that for mine. Okay, now we're going to splice in our new harness. It should be red to red, black to black, and purple to purple. And now once you have your wires clipped, you can go ahead and heat shrink them. And once you have your wires connected and all heat shrunk, so now we can install our new resistor into the hole here. Your new resistor will have offset tabs. They'll be bent a certain way, so it'll only install one way. I would also suggest to make sure that the hole is free of any debris so you can get a good seal. There we go, and once you have your new resistor installed, you can go ahead and plug in your front plug this way, and also the plug going to your blower motor. And that's pretty much it for this install. I'm going to clean up the wires a little bit and put the bottom shield back on with the 7mm socket. And go ahead and reconnect your battery. And there you go. And of course, if this video helped you guys out, remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. These trucks are getting pretty old, so I plan on making more content on fixing all the common little issues on the 2003 to 2006 Silverados. My next video, actually, I'll be replacing these dash lights, so if you want to see that video or see more content like this, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.